Find a comfortable position and let's begin our journey towards calmness and tranquility. Start by settling into a quiet space where you won't be disturbed. Different options are you can sit in a chair or on the floor, whatever feels best for you. Allow your back to be straight but relaxed. Now, gently close your eyes or lower your gaze. Take a deep breath in through your nose, filling your lungs completely, and hold it for just a moment. Now slowly exhale, releasing any tension. Let's do this for a few more times. Inhale deeply. Hold. And exhale, letting go of any stress. Inhale deeply. Hold. And exhale, letting go of any stress. As you continue to breathe deeply, I invite you to bring your attention to the sensation of your breath. Feel the air entering your body, cool and refreshing, and feel it leaving, warm and soothing. Now, let's transition into a gentle body scan. Bring your awareness to the top of your head. Notice any tension you might be holding there. As you breathe out, visualize that tension melting away. Allow your focus to move down to your forehead, your eyes, your cheeks. With each exhale, release any tightness you might feel. Now, let's transition into a gentle body scan. While taking a deep breath in, inhale. And hold. And exhale. Bring your awareness to the top of your head. Notice any tension you might be holding there. Continue this process, moving down to your neck, shoulders, and arms. Inhale, hold, exhale. As you breathe out, feel the weight of stress lifting from your body. Now, let your attention flow to your chest and abdomen. Feel your breath rising and falling, bringing in calmness and letting go of stress. Inhale, hold, and exhale. Shift your focus to your legs and feet. With each breath, imagine any remaining tension dissolving into the ground beneath you. Inhale. Hold. Slowly exhale. Now let's embrace a moment of mindfulness. Bring your awareness to your thoughts. Notice them as they come and go, like clouds drifting across the sky. Inhale, hold, and slowly exhale. If your mind wanders, gently guide your attention back to your breath. Allow yourself to simply be present in this moment, appreciating the stillness. If your mind wanders, gently guide your attention back to your breath. Inhale, hold, slowly exhale. Allow yourself to simply be present in this moment, appreciating the stillness. Continue to breathe naturally, feeling the rise and fall of your chest. Embrace the peace that surrounds you. As we move towards the end of our meditation, start to bring your awareness back to your surroundings. Wiggle your fingers and toes gently. Inhale. Hold. Slowly exhale. Take a final deep breath in. And when you're ready, slowly open your eyes. If your eyes have been open this whole time, slowly come back to center. Take a moment to notice how you feel now compared to when we began. Carry this sense of calm with you as you go about your day. Thank you for joining me in this mindful meditation. Remember, you can turn this practice on whenever you need a moment of peace.